It's looking good, sis.
Can I watch TV?
Oh, I don't know if that's going to fit there, sis. Got everything in there? There you go, Lightning McQueen. Do you want to put a dolly in your stroller? You want to put a oh no, Spider-Man monster truck. That's good. Got any dollies to put in that stroller? Or like a baby? No, Spider-Man. Okay. You gonna put a baby in there or just Spider-Man? You got Spider-Man goes in the stroller? Okay, you can take him for a ride. Oh, there they go. Good job. Good job. You got any babies to put in that stroller, perhaps? This is what we have. The poor baby never gets to go in the stroller. Ta-da! Sis, say ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, say bye-bye, sis.